thing behind me.
Yeah.
The light on. Oh my god.
That's that room you're looking at.
Yo, this is fucking crazy.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to.
It's not that, it's the bike sitting outside.
We can't get in. Look at that. The bumper's still fucking. Right.
Can we even, is this even, yeah, it is going. What is all this? What, did people like try to live here?
No, fucking people party here and destroy it.
Can you like get out of here, like just walking out a door or something?
There's the Poughkeepsie site board.
I want to go inside somewhere. I don't want to be in the back.
Hang on, why are we going so fast? We should be looking for, look at that piece of copper.
What the fuck is that? See, you're fucking.
Look.
Yeah, there's too many doors over there. I don't know. I'm not going to.
Greetings.
Look at this piece of copper.
Greetings. Kinda creepy.
I don't want people to.
Are we like, no.
Hey, here's the bathroom. Dude, this shit's sick.
A bathroom.
Accessible. No, let me talk to her.
This is kind of creepy, this thing.
Got a little oxygen can.
Yeah, I'm getting out of here. Look at the asbestos we're walking on.
Yeah, we're all dying.
Yeah, we're all gonna fucking die. What are you serious? This is all lead paint and asbestos.
Yeah, you're right.
Bathroom.
Oh, boy, that one.
Coat rack.
Hey, dude, it's a fortune.
Alright, yeah, see, I don't wanna go any farther. John,
Ow! Give me the fucking flashlight. Give me the flashlight. Come
Where?
Hey, dude, here's some fucking clothes. Come on, give me the flashlight. Are you coming?
Can you guys stay with me?
I'm going back this way.
Give me the flashlight.
Take the
Why is
flashlight.
there a plant in here?
Give me the camera.
It's old.
Give me the camera.
Can we go?
Here, take this one. Here, man, I'm not
Take
going
that. Take that. We
Guys.
need two flashlights.
Come
and a
back
camera.
this way.
No, 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 no.
We're taking a flashlight. Can we take the camera? Because we're going.
No, I'm going out by the bikes. I don't give a fuck.
Alright.
This
Yeah.
is stupid.
Here, it's not
Go
fair.
upstairs. We
Dude.
got how many thousands of dollars? Here, who wants
This
the
is your
camera?
guys' idea. Yeah, I know. Now he's
Take
saying.
this.
Can
You
it?
take that.
Why?
Wait.
I'm
be
taking the
careful.
camera. Let him have that flashlight. You got one flashlight. Come on, give Mert that
Why did you
flashlight.
do that?
Douchebag said he wouldn't
Give
do it.
Mert that flashlight.
Did that.
Morty, Morty,
Nah, fucking keep
come on,
it.
let's go.
What are you guys doing?
We're going. Come on, Keith, go ahead, son. We're going.
We're getting lost.
Am I recording here?
I don't know. Who cares?
No, I'm not.